Hello and welcome back. This is Imrul Tusher once again. Today I'm going to show you how you can scrap unlimited business lead from Google Map using one of the Chrome extension, which is the free. So if you're completely beginner, don't worry, watch this video till the end. After watching this video, you will be able to scrap the data from Google Map. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer to show you step-by-step process there. Let's begin the video. As you can see right now, I'm on my computer screen and this is the my channel. So please, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when I upload the video. So let's move on. So to escape the business lead from Google Map, we have to click to open a new tab, and so we have to go maps.google.com. As you can see, maps.google.com. Click on hit enter. As you can see right now, I'm in maps.google.com. So now you have to type your targeted keyword with a specific location. So let's say I want a real estate agency in New York. So let's search real estate agency in New York. So let's make a search. Then you will see in the right bar you will see the lot of real estate agency list. So now to escape the all real estate agency list, we have to install the one of the Chrome extension. So let's install the Chrome extension. Open a new tab, and to escape the data we have to install a Chrome extension. So it's called instant data scraper. Instant, as you can see, here's the open here instant data scraper. Let's search. Then you will see the first option, instant data scraper Chrome web store. Click on it. As you can see, so let's see the logo. So this is our actual Chrome extension to scrap the data from Google Maps. So now we have to click on this button, add to Chrome. So click on it. So and it will appear a pop-up. So add Chrome extension, and it's loading, and you can see it's downloading. So our Chrome extension installation is done. So now you have to click on this Chrome extension icon. So click on it. After that you have to find the instant data scraper. As you can see, this is the one instant data scraper. So you have to click on it. You have to click on pin icon. So when you will click here pin icon, then it will appear this. So let's see. So click on it, then you can see this is the actual that Chrome extension is visible in this here. So let's go on. So let's close this out. Then let's reload this map extension. Click on it. Then it will be the redirect with it will be reload with Chrome extension. So now you have to do one thing. You have to scroll the list. You have to scroll down until you reach the this list, end of the list. You have to continuously scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here you go. After few seconds, after 10 to 20 second scrolling, so now I reached the end of the list in here. So now the main part of this video, now we have to click on this Chrome extension icon. So click on it. After click on this extension icon, you will see the boom. So now 1 2 3, let's click. As you can see, in the left bar, all real estate agency data is marked with red border. That's mean our all data is collected in this Excel sheet. As you can see here is, as you can see in instant data scraper tab, as you can see here is lot of data already get scrapped. So now you can see here is a lot of data we get. As you can see, this is company name, lot of data we get. So now if you want, you can download the list with CSV format. Also you can download that sheet with Excel sheet, and also you can copy the data from here. So now I'm going to download the data as Excel format. So let's click on Excel. So now that data is downloaded into my computer. So let's open it. So click on no, yes. So as you can see, a large amount of data we got. So lot of thing we don't need. So right here, this is the map. We don't need the map URL. So delete this. So as you can see, this is the company name. So this is the real estate agency name. So we need this, and this is the review of the Google Map. So we don't need. So we have to delete this. So delete those column. I don't know, don't need this as well. So this is the address of the company. So we need this actually, and this is the opening hour. This is the office opening hour. So we don't need as well. So delete it. So here's the, what is this? This is the closing time. So we don't need as well. So delete this. This is the actual the main targeted points. This is the company number, which is the very important for the cold calling. So this is very important part of this leads. So now here, this is the website of the company. So we need this. So other thing is we don't need, maybe, yeah, yes, we don't need. So delete all. So now you can see there is a, we got website, we got company name, company address, company phone number, and company website. Unfortunately, you cannot find the email address with this extension. So now to find the email address, you have to go every website of the company, then you have to find the company. If you want to do, you can do it as yourself also. If you don't want to do, to save your time, you can hire freelancer from Fiverr to find the email address from the those websites. So you can you can find the freelancer on Fiverr. So I will attach the link into the video description for you as easy access to hire a freelancer for your work. So that was the process of how you can scrap the business leads from Google Map. If you need this type of service like data entry, lead generation, web research, virtual assistant, or any kind of lead generation, email list building work, please, you can reach out to me. Also, you can hire the freelancer from Fiverr as well. So I will attach the link into the video description for your easy access. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. That will make me happy to create more valuable content like this. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.